Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Troy Ounce, the Silver Stacker. Today I got a story for you that perfectly illustrates what's been happening in the silver market and why stackers need to be alert and stay ready. Yesterday I went to my local coin shop, and when I walked in, it looked like the place has been robbed. Unbelievable. My jaw about dropped. Now, it wasn't robbed really, but it sure looked like it. A few minutes before I arrived, someone came in and bought every single silver round, bar and coin that place had. Unbelievable. I'm surprised they were even open. Every single one, at least so I thought. But first, let me say this. That's a real world snapshot of demand right now. People are stacking, and silver prices have been moving a lot too. Over the past few weeks, silver's been going up and down in the $70 and $80 range per troy ounce. That volatility seems to get stackers active, and it gets people checking local shops, online dealers, forums, and groups to find silver. So what was left? Well, they were out of everything, like I said, except one small bag of mixed silver. So I thought about it, and then I bought it. It totaled about 1 troy ounce of silver and included a 1948 Mexican 5 pesos, a 1867 to 1967 Canadian fish dime, I call it. I think the fish is really a mackerel. It's designed for Canada's Centennial. And then lastly, a fractional 2.5 gram 395 silver tiger rectangle. So the question is, was this a good idea? Or was this a good deal, rather? Or maybe I should have waited for more metal to show up. Well, this is how I look at it. Let's break it down. Number one, a 1948 Mexican 5 peso. It's government minted. It's recognizable worldwide. It has 90% silver content, and I think it's pretty cool looking, to be honest. Number two, the Canadian fish dime, 1967. Well, that's 80% silver. It's fractional, collectible, and stackable. Great for dividing your ounces. And number three, a 2.5 gram 3/9 fine silver rectangular tiger. This is the first that I have of silver like this. And I know it's not official coinage, but it is pure silver. It's a nice fractional piece, I think. And it's, I think, easy to trade. My thought is this. When you can buy silver, even in a weird mix like this, what matters most is the price per ounce and the purity. Should I have waited? Well, this is where stacking gets personal. If I had waited, maybe the shop would have restocked, or maybe not. He wasn't too sure when the next shipment was coming in. But the fact that someone cleaned out every silver round tells me the demand is real and supply at retail can vanish quickly. For me, it wasn't FOMO. It was simply that I had an extra few dollars, so I thought I'd add those pieces to the stack. As I said before, silver is silver. I know some don't agree. And the other thing is, this silver was roughly at spot. History shows us that during times of heightened demand like this, physical metal moves first. Spot price moves second. So what's the takeaway I have? Number one, don't ignore local dealers. They can be good sources of real silver. Number two, silver demand can spike suddenly, as we've been seeing lately. Number 3, even mixed bags are worth considering if the premiums are reasonable. And fourthly, fractional silver, like that Canadian dime and tiny rectangle, it can help you stack by the ounce without paying big premiums. And if you're like me, I'm in it for the long haul. I don't feel I made a mistake. There might be some out there that wouldn't have done this, and that's okay. That's where it's all personal. In the end, it's silver. And if you can sell it, if you can trade it, that's all good. If you've enjoyed this honest look into a simple everyday person stacking like me, please like and subscribe. Also, please let me know in the comments, have you ever, this is the first time for me, have you ever walked into a shop and found nothing but air? I mean, the place was ransacked. We want to hear your story. I want to hear your story. Remember, stack smart, stack silver. This is Troy Ounce, the Silver Stacker. See you on the flip side.